You can generate, say, and review 5 report groups. Basically balance, transactions, income, expense, and chart reports. From the main menu on the website that's next to the last menu where you access reports. Unlike backup files that we're going to check next, the report files are not password protected and they can be opened by every My Money application. Chart reports are saved in bitmap file, like a regular picture file, and they can also be viewed by anyone. So that's something to take into consideration if you're doing the saving of those reports. Let's go with the current balance. First report just gives you the basic current income, current expense, and balance. You can save, open, previously will give different, save, or you can print, which goes straight without print preview because it's very simple. It's just gonna print as soon as you click yes. That's it, printing report. Next one is transaction with mass on top. That this is your last transaction. This report you can also save as, let's say, report 1, or you can open. You can export to Excel. There it is. With this one you have actually option to set printer through the printer properties. So whatever you set in the printer properties will affect printing in My Money. Next one is transactions. In transactions are income transactions, where you have the different orders. You have expenses transaction in different orders. Transaction per balance. They're sorted per balance. Per date, which you select the date and it will filter only transaction that happened at date. You can have transaction per single income, where you select income, for example, my salary, show, it will just show my salaries. I can do everything like with other reports, print, open, save, etc. Also, similar is transaction per single expense, where you can just select one of the expenses, show, and here is the income by deciding value. Same applies to this one, except it's the other way around. And finally we have chart reports, where it tells you what it shows, and it gives you first 10 like different chart views. When you click print on this one, you actually have print preview, where you can set where exactly you want the chart to be on the paper. You can zoom out to see it, and even make the chart smaller, put a different position, larger. You have a 3D chart also, where if you click the right arrow and you just click enter on your keyboard, it will go around. When you find the position you want, you can go in the print preview and do the printing. In the print area also, the copies, the printer default is also, preferences are also accessed through the printer itself, printer properties. So there, let's say for example we change the landscape here, and we say okay, so that My Money took information from the printer itself, Epson in this case, and apply to this report printing preferences. I'm going to change the portrait mode again back, say print, but we will not print, just to show you that the paper now is in the portrait mode. Let's exit the printing and exit the chart reports.